Welcome back to another episode of Insuright Claims Clinic. Today again we are back with another exciting topic. Before moving to the topic, I would request, in case you have not subscribed to us, please do that. So sir, welcome back. So today let's talk about a discussion which yesterday actually we received on claim, which is a very common issue, I would say, but however the customers are not aware about it. So yesterday one Mediclaim claim we received, wherein due to the proportional claim condition, the claim amount settled was much lesser, and customer was very upset because of the settlement amount, which was much lower than what he spent on. So as it's a common issue and common condition as well, but the customers are not aware about it. So I thought, let's pick up this topic, let's have a discussion around it so that we can throw a lot of information to the customers that how they should behave in this scenario. So my primary question to you right now, sir, for the viewers' point of view, what exactly is the proportionate clause in case of Mediclaim claims?
Okay.
Sir, I have seen a lot of time when you go for a hospitalization, people feel my policy will pay. My policy will pay for whatever. Oh, 5,000 rupees room rent is there. Let me go for a higher room rent, no problem. Oh, 7,000, I'll pay 2,000 difference. But balance, at least I'll get a better room quality, I'll get a AC room, and they opt for a higher room category. But they don't understand that because of this 2,000 rupees or 3,000 rupees excess amount, they're not just going to end up paying only the room rent difference amount. They are going to end up paying the much more proportionate claim expenses, which is a very common issue which I have come across, and this was the similar claim which I am talking about yesterday's discussion with the client. So today we want to discuss on that line, and regarding this, how should a customer think before he gets hospitalized, or what he should do if he's getting hospitalized during such scenario.
When we say differential billing, which is connected to associated medical expenses, see, in a hospitalization you come across variety of expenses.
Yeah.
Doctor's visit, doctor's consultation charge, nursing charge, then operation theatre charge, consumables, then you have the lab, X-ray, pathology,
correct,
diet.
Yeah.
So anything services which hospital is deemed to be giving, the differential billing will affect that. I would say that only medicines which is issued on MRP basis will not be affected. Okay. Now, what is the issue here is insurer should be aware of it.
Correct.
That is what is the most important.
Yeah. So this is quite evident that most of the policies or most of the hospitals will have a differential billing, and the customer has to be aware about it. Yeah. But how does customer prepare, or how does customer be aware about such scenarios actually?
See, at the beginning of taking the policy, choice of policy, there are policies in the market where such room rent capping is not there, or that room rent capping is removed through an add-on cover. But such policies will cost extra.
Yeah. But
still, I would say that is preferable.
Better than struggling at the time of claim
and facing the claim.
Yeah.
It's always prefer, if you have that choice.
Very true.
It's always preferable to go for such a kind of policy.
Yeah.
But then I have also seen such policies are given at a premium level.
Yeah.
For a lower sum insured they are not given, but a very high sum insured they are given. So the affordability is a question.
Yeah.
Second, customer can check, if possible, whether the hospital which he is getting admitted, planning to get admitted, whether it practices differential billing or not, if possible.
Yeah.
Whether hospital will reveal it, or they can take the help from the insurance company to know, because insurance company is putting that condition in the
Again,
policy.
Depends on the scenario. If you are in emergency, you can't even think about it. You have to get whatever options are available to you.
It's a planned hospitalization. Customer has time.
There you can at least
check it. Or the other one is, don't opt for, wherever possible, do not opt for a higher.
Do not exceed the limit of room rent limit.
Opt for even if you have to opt, go for see that the difference between the sum insured given and the room rent is not very high. That's all. But still, if it is not possible, sometimes they may not have a rooms. They may force them to take a private room.
Correct.
In which case, customer should be aware that his claim will be reduced.
Yeah.
These are the 4 scenarios I am presenting. This is how we can handle this. Only thing is that we want customer not to be surprised by such a situation. The policy, when you are even taking the policy, kindly check these wordings. What the policy talks about differential billing and proportionate reduction in the claim amount. Because the amount is pretty substantial.
So quite useful, sir. What I would suggest to all the viewers here, all the customers here, that whenever you are planning for any hospitalization, I would say please go through your policy wording. What is the sum insured limit for room rent? Please look at that very clearly, and you can easily search in your policy. There will be a clause called proportionate claim clause. Please look at that clause, because that clause specifies whether you have a proportionate billing clause in your policy or not. If it is not there, if it is not specifying that your bills will be proportionate, that means any room rent you choose, there will not be any proportionate billing. Only the room amount you will be not getting the full amount. However, I would even suggest you please relook your policy from the angle, instead of looking at only from the claims angle, please look at from the angle what it covers. If your policy has a limit, upgrade your policy to a better policy wherein there is no room rent limit. So while buying a policy, if somebody is a new buyer thinking of buying a policy, please look at that you are buying a policy which has no room rent limit. And even though you have an old policy wherein your room rent limits are there, please upgrade your policy to a better policy wherein there is no room rent limit available. So please be cautious, be careful about while you are getting hospitalized. This can save you a lot of money and a lot of hassles from unnecessary expense to you. Thanks again for watching the videos and liking us a lot. I would request, if you have not subscribed, please do that, and follow our page, share our videos for everybody's knowledge and improvement. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.